what? Do it. Oh, it's over. Dang. That sucks. I don't think they're going to play it again, though.
No, rewind it.
The TVs here don't rewind. Only at Mommy's house.
Just pretend this is the song.
Okay, ready?
It's a video kind of influenced by the movie Kids. It's basically this crazy house party, crazy girls, crazy drinking.
You're not going to do the jerk. Are you going to do it? Come on, because the camera's going to go down. Here, do it. Do it. Stand up.
I don't want to do it myself.
Go put some pants on.
Okay, I think I can do it like that.
Go.
But don't let me away.
Okay.
We just treat it like, yo, how we gonna hurt this beat to where people like, yo,
Go.
dudes is just bringing it again.
No, do the other one. Hey. Do it how the Uncle Gianni does it. Scoot back and do it so I can see you more. Yeah, right there. Do it. You are so funny. Okay, say bye.